Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So today I am gonna show you how to make restaurant style soya chunks curry. Let's move on to the recipe. Here I've taken 1 cup of soya chunks. Firstly, boil the soya chunks in water for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's boiled, keep them aside. Now heat a pan, add some oil and add 3 onions chopped. Salt them until it turns brown color. Once it turns into this color, turn it off and keep it aside for cooling. Now I've kept both of these for cooling. Once it's cooled down to room temperature, squeeze the excess water from the soya chunks and keep it aside. Now we do marination. For that I've added chili powder, salt, coriander powder and turmeric powder and half cup of curd. Add all these ingredients, mix them very well and add some garlic, crushed garlic and keep it aside. Now make the onions into a smooth puree, keep it aside. Now fry the marinated soya chunks. Now heat a pan, add oil and add these spices. To that add the onion puree, saute it for a while. And then next step is to add soya chunks. Mix it very well. Let it boil. Add 1 teaspoon of butter, that's completely optional. 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon garam masala. I've made it little spicy and exceptional. You can skip the last step of kasuri methi and garam masala, but it adds extra taste to the dish. Finally, I've added coriander leaves and it's ready to serve. If you liked the recipe, please try the recipe and let us know your comments in the comment box. Thank you.